Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start with safety and power. Put the Honda Fit GP1 in park and turn the ignition to accessory or on so the stereo and phone systems are active. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and set to visible or discoverable. Open Bluetooth settings so the device can be found. On the car stereo, press and hold the phone or talk button for about 5 seconds until the audio display indicates pairing mode or shows a device name such as Honda or hands-free. With the stereo in pairing mode, open Bluetooth search on your phone and look for the car device name, often listed as Honda, hands-free, or BT device. Tap that name to connect. If the system asks for a passcode, enter 0000 or 1234, as many Honda head units accept those defaults. After the link is established, accept prompts to allow phone audio and phonebook/contacts access so hands-free calls and contact names display. And wait for the stereo to verify the connection by making a test call and playing music. Confirm both phone audio and media audio are active in your phone's Bluetooth profile settings. If pairing fails, remove older paired devices on the stereo and phone, then retry. Some units accept only about 4 to 6 stored devices and may need old entries deleted. As a last resort, reset the head unit's Bluetooth by turning the unit off and on or holding the power button for 10 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.